Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to show you some stuff that'll be in a sale that I'm going to be putting on soon. And it's just a few things of what I have for sale. And I have no date on the sale yet. I will announce that later. So here we go. I have some napkins that'll be for sale. Now all the napkins will be a little different. They won't all have the same thing in it. So I will show you one of the packages that I have. And everything will come packaged. This one has 25 napkins in it. Okay. You have the princesses, cupcakes, the Captain America, Spider-Man. Here's Captain America again, but a different napkin. And they're mostly 3 and 4 panel napkins. I'll open this one up and show you. This one I think is just a single panel where you have the red, white, and blue, the stars here, the red and white here, and then you got 3 white panels. Okay. Then we have this emoji one, and this one again is just a single panel. If you'd like to see anything, let me know, and I'll try to do a video on it. This is a full panel here, quarter panel, quarter panel, quarter panel there of emojis. Then we have Dr. Seuss. We have Santa. And Santa has snowflakes too. We have the US flag. That's a single panel. We have Diego from Dora and his little lion here. And I think that's a full 4 panel. Yep. 2 of Diego, 2 of his little pet. Okay. And we have the Easter one. That's 4 panels. This one. We have a snowman. Music notes. Another snowman. It's different ones now. You might have a multiple of one, but they're all different. You have this one, which has got the Paris on it. We got this one, the Clydesdale horses. We have the poinsettias. We have Star Wars. Happy holidays. This one with a big flower. And this one with purple. Then we have the Justice League here. We have this one with a flower. We have this holiday one. And this Coca-Cola one. Okay. Now this is 25 napkins in this bag here. Okay. That's 25 here. And most of it's going to be like an auction. Some of it's going to be flat priced. It depends on how I price it later on. Okay. Let's take that shot. I'm going to show you the next. The next is a junk journal ephemera kit. And this is what you get in the junk journal ephemera kit. You get 2 large clothespins. You get 3 rows of bling. Some little flower bling. You get 3 different things of tickets, which they're all different. You get red one with smiley, pink one with smileys on it. Then you get the double tickets, so you're getting 4 things of tickets actually. You get 2 paper clips. Okay, that's those. You get some twine. And you get 5 index cards. Well, the other one won't come apart. There's 4 or 5 index cards in here. You're going to get a piece of fabric. You're going to get this leaf. Not all the kits are the same. None of my kits will be exactly the same, okay? Then you have 5 buttons, okay? That's one of the kits, okay? And then I will announce the date of the sale at a later date, not right now. Let me put this back in here the way I had it. Seal it up. And everything will come in plastic bags, so no worries. And I also have a junk journal kit. Oh, I'm gonna have to put the label, another label on here. So we have that. I'm gonna turn it around and show you everything that's in this. You have book paper. There's your book paper here. You get 10 sheets of book paper. You get 5 of these little cards in an envelope that I made. Let me see if I can open this. I'm gonna use this one to show, so in the sale, so I don't mind if I rip it. I'll make another bag to do. You get 5 cards in it. Okay. You have 5 small samples of fabric, or 4 small samples of fabric. And then you have 4 big samples of fabric. Nope, 5 big ones. Okay, oh, here's the 5th small one. So here's the fabrics here. Sorry about that. Let me see. We have that one and that one. Okay. So what's left in here? You have some gears. And then in this ephemera pack, you have the same thing as the small pack. You have the 5 buttons. You have your large ephemera here. You have the twine, 2 clothespins, your piece of fabric, your 5 index cards, your 4 different tickets, your 3 rows of bling, here's 2 more buttons, and your flower bling. And also you have 2 of Tim Holtz's little people that goes in there. Let me put the gears in here. And that's another package that I have, another kit that I'm gonna have for my sale. So that's 3 of the items. I have plenty more of the items. If y'all want to see more, let me know in the comments section, and I will try to accommodate you guys. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And follow me on all social media as Vanessa Angel Rose will be down in the description box. All my social media. And I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.